Hi, my name is Siddharth Aiyer. I am the country head for Antiphon India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. See here is our core technology product called MPM, which is a polymer metal structure, essentially to reduce noise and vibration damping. So this is an example of a normal steel sheets, whereas this is our product. Here, no noise. As you can hear, there is no noise. So mainly we are supplying these sheets to automotive component manufacturers and power generation sectors for manufacturing various components, and it acts as just as a normal steel sheets. It could be made in different materials as well, such as aluminium, stainless steel, galvanized steel, hot roll, cold roll steels, etc. So, Antiphon is a more than 70-year-old company, mainly providing solutions to noise and acoustic problems that are being faced in the world today. So, we help to silence the noise around you and give you a silent sound of quality, as our tagline says.